Kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of mechanics which deals with moving objects, that is, studying the motion without considering cause of the motion, that is, forces and energies. Mechanics is a branch of physical science which deals with the energy and forces and their effect on the bodies. This is categorized as kinematics and dynamics, whereas kinematics deals with the moving objects and without considering the cause of the motion, that is study of space-time, velocity, acceleration and displacement, whereas dynamics is a study of cause of the motion, that is a study of force and momentum and energy and work. Dynamics deals with the forces. For example, while construction of bridges, it finds the way the forces are concentrated and where we have to build the pillars. Kinematics deals with time, distance, velocity, and acceleration. Let this ball is displayed with respect to time. Then velocity is a ratio of displacement and time. Let this bike is running with velocity v. What happens when we accelerate it? When acceleration is given to the bike, the velocity will changes with respect to time. That means acceleration is the change in velocity with respect to time. Basic equations of kinematics are v is equal to u plus at and v square equal to u square plus 2as and s is equal to ut plus of at square. Here the motion may be in one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional, or in straight line, or without acceleration and with the acceleration anything. These three equations are sufficient to do any problem. If we know vector addition and vector multiplication, then these three equations are sufficient to do three-dimensional problem or projectile motion or two-dimensional motion. How this v is equal to u plus at derived? A acceleration is equal to change in velocity with respect to time, that is a is equal to dv by dt. Then a dt equal to dv on integration on both sides with initial conditions. Then we get b is equal to u plus at. Then y s is equal to ut plus of at square derived. B is equal to u plus at, we know. On integrating v is equal to ds by dt. Substituting this v is equal to ds by dt and integrating on both sides, we can get s is equal to ut plus of at square. From these two equations, we can derive v square equal to u square plus 2as. Here, more interesting problems here in kinematics are present in relative motion.